Hey guys, hey, welcome back to K20 Garage. And today, let me tell you what I'm doing on the CRX behind me. So, I'm gonna tell you this. I'll be driving with my open control arms on this CRX for over 15 years. And I'm gonna tell you how they look like. First of all, hit the like, hit subscribe, and share. Let's get to it. So this right here, young ladies and young man, is my gone to upper left control. So I had this right here from MPC to lower the control arm. My brand new shocks, and when I was driving, I would hear this boom in the road, boom, boom, boom. I'm like, what the fuck, bro? So two things I noticed here when I took it out. Let me put you guys right here in the action. So two things that I noticed when I took it out. One of them is missing a bolt right here. It's supposed to have a bolt. Been driving with this like this probably for like, I don't know, 10 years. The second thing I noticed, and by the way, my alignment always been perfect. Then I noticed this right here. All this mashing there. So this is old technology. What I call old technology is it's been there in my car for like 10 years. Now, I was so good this year, the Santa brought me this. This is my upper control arm from not Sconto, I'm sorry. From K20, you know, time to build the CRX. I'm a very, very lover of K20, man. I love my K20 parts. So, when I had the chance, I had to redo my upper control arm. Oops, sorry. Like this one, to the side. I said, fuck it. I was gonna order this Sconto again because it was good, reliable for 15 years, but something tell me, let me go different. Let me go a different route with this, right? So I always follow my heart. So K20 always come with a sticker. I can see right here, it's the pins. Pretty good. Here they are. This is the left one. Nice. Looks pretty good. I gotta follow that one. That one is way to the back, so this will be forward. What I don't see is, yeah. Okay. So let me see something real quick. I don't see something here that I really don't. Ah, there they are. Okay. I got scared for a minute, guys. Whew. So, this is the left one. As you can see, I already took out the other one, right? But this is the left one, and let me show you what it brings. It comes in with this beautiful coat. Yeah, I'm not ever going to see it, but it comes with a beautiful coat. I had good reviews on this. Got 3 bolts, and I'm going to compare it to the other one. My old one. This one got 2 bolts, solid bushings on the side. This one comes a little bit almost bigger than that, smaller, and probably is going to be a different ride. This one, you can replace the bushing, even though this is still good, you can replace that. It comes with all the accessories on the side. So that means comes for the arms on the rear, the solid bushing. I want to put it all together right now. Let me put some gloves because I hate grease. This is not greasy without this. So I want to put that together right in front of you guys, and then we're going to put them on the car. Comes with a new lock nut right there, and go out of the way so people can see better. So it comes with 2 bags. It comes with the upper with the bolts right here. It comes with the rear bag. So I'm gonna open this one first. All right. 1, 2, no lug nuts. Okay. So basically that goes right here like this and like this. But before you put it like that, you're missing something here. That's where this bag comes through. And they come left and right. So we're doing the left. How this goes? It goes like this. So that goes like this to here. Okay. I don't know. Let me see. Oh, right here. Nope. Yeah. No. Maybe. Let me see. Yeah. Maybe you guys do one. Let me see. There we go. Is in. I'm gonna put this to the side. It comes with a screws. I'm gonna put them right on top of the box. Okay. So these goes right here, the other way, like this. And then these one long ones go across. This big nice one goes on top. So how are you gonna do this? You're gonna go in. I'll put it through. Put it through. Put it through. And then you're gonna put one of these nut nuts. And you're gonna write it down. Do the same thing to the other side. Okay. And you got that. The same. That might look like 14, I believe. Let me see. Might be a 15. Yeah, it is a 15. We're gonna do, we're gonna hit it. You're gonna get a number 15 sock. Gonna put it right here. Okay. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Okay. Now, nice and steady. Still got some play. This one doesn't have no play, and that's good. I'm gonna tighten this one a little bit more. Guys, I'm about to rearrange. I said that last year, but I'm about to rearrange my whole area. I'm about to move this out of here. I don't know what I'm doing, but I need space. So now, I'll show you how I'm gonna put this underneath the car. Should be pretty easy, hopefully. Come on down here. Already in, and guys, what I did, I disconnected my hoses from the shock, and I put the MPC fork down, and that's it. I'm gonna tie it down on top now. Okay. Now here on top, I'm gonna use this beautiful lug nuts. We're gonna put them in on both sides. Always do it by hand, and then you can do whatever you want after you get them. But I always like to put them by hand. This is 17, so I want to grab my 17 ratchet. Oh, that's my hood. Right here. There we go. Grab my 17. And what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna hit it with a gun. I'm gonna hit it with my all by hand. Reason why I don't want to crack my paint job or the new paint job on the lot mounts. Something that I screw up is that I move put you guys down here. Alright guys, so here's how this one looks. Same issue. Bang on the bottom right here. Bang here in the bottom. Bolts are loose. And this one is going opposite it. And yeah, look. These are tight, but the bushings are really bad. Over there, we'll put this one together. You know, I love brand new parts. Go. That's it. There we go. This is the right side. It'll be a 15, I believe. Is it 14? 14 it is. Yeah, it's a 14. And let me get a 14 over here. Twelve. My kingdom. To the 14 right here. All right, let me get my gun. Alright guys, this is done. Now I'm moving. What the fuck happened here? All right, guys, had everything put back on. Everything looks really good. It was amazing. Now I gotta clean this up. Like I said, I'm cleaning this up because I have a car show. I noticed that this tire is more like this. This one is more like that. But the bolts are the way I want them. Look, I'm gonna put the steering wheel straight. Boom. And you see how bad the tire's out? So I gotta get alignment. Every time you fix your suspension, you have to get alignment. So I'll get an alignment. My boys on Tire Kingdom, they're gonna adjust that for me. You gotta pay extra for that, but you know, it's like only 179, 179 to do that. But they do bottom, top, everything, and they take your time. But my car looks good. This suspension is not going no fucking where. And then this one I have to get a tool for this bolt right here. This is tight. This is not going anywhere either, but I need to get a tool for that to fix it. Basically, the tool goes through the bottom and break the bolt. Besides that, guys, I am replacing that oil control arm right there. And this lower control arm later on. That right here, and then one inside. And then this car, whole suspension wise, will be done. I am looking for a new front lip. If anybody in YouTube land look at it and say, Freddie, I got one, I got you, send it over, bro. If not, it's okay. I love this lift. I can work on my car and no issues. So yeah, guys, that's what our car is right now. I'm going to take these tires off. Thank you for watching, subscribing. It's very easy. It only took me a couple hours to do. Well, a couple hours you can have a lift. Let's get that right. So I have it in the air, I have a lift. It took me a couple hours to do. Everything looks really good up front, on top now. All those black bolts. Yes, I had to retouch like that little corner right there because of the paint. I got touchable paint there, but everything looks really good. Caliper looks amazing, but I gotta clean up underneath. I'm gonna take both tires off, and I gotta run to like the store, get me the new lot nuts. These are pretty much done. With that said, thank you for watching, subscribing. Thank you for be a part of my every weekend or every other day videos on the Honda CRX and all the other ones to come. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. And there you go. These are the old ones. Pretty bad. I'm gonna have a better ride. I can guarantee that right now. I can guarantee that right now. Woo, yeah. All right, guys. Thank you for everything, and see you in the next one.